Regarding your fitness training schedule, the time you spend sweating it out in the gym should get all the credit, but actually, it shouldn't. It's great to know what to do before a workout and what to do after a workout. Still, there are also many things that you should do during the workout to impact your progress and results. Stay tuned to Pars Health TV to know these tips and tricks. Number 9. Drinking water. You must already know that consuming your H20 is essential to overall health. Still, it plays an important role in fitness training. When sweating it out, you must ensure your body is adequately hydrated because you are losing water. Plus, being hydrated will ensure your energy levels are where they should be. Just look at the similarities between oil in a car and water in a body. Just like a car that can't run without oil, it is obvious that a body can't run without water. You should always be sipping it before, during, and after a training session. Although precise water requirements vary from person to person, it has been recommended to aim for half of your body weight in ounces per day. So, if you weigh 150 pounds, try to get in around 75 ounces. If your urine color is dark, you probably are not hydrated enough. Number 8. Get into the zone. When you want to do your exercise routine, make sure you have a set of headphones and an energy-filled playlist of your favorite music. These can be the key to cutting off the hustle and bustle of the outside world and pushing you through your best exercises. Number 7. Breathe. During your workout, you should breathe in sync with your workout. This seems to be obvious, but really stop to watch your breathing pattern the next time you are spinning, box jumping, or deadlifting. Are you aware of your breathing patterns while exercising? For instance, during a deadlift, you should inhale when you set up and then exhale when it's time to work. When you run, you should inhale 2 counts through your nose and exhale 2 counts through your nose. Small changes to your breathing pattern make you more efficient and build new neuronal networks in your brain, driving your mind-body connection more impactful. Number 6. Use the mind/muscle connection. Studies show a massive connection between the minds and the bodies. When you're exercising, think about the muscle you're working on. Concentrate on the actual movement of pushing, lowering, pulling, or lifting. You can use visualization methods to aid you in conquering more challenging exercises or weight loads. Imagine your movement's success, completion, and growth. Number 5. Check your ego at the door. If you want real growth and outcomes, you will need to let go of your ego whenever you walk into the gym. Have you ever seen a big guy at the gym lifting a ridiculously heavy stack of dumbbells, but he's jerking around with terrible form and looks like he's one more rep away from leaving on a stretcher? Yup, we all have this type of person who is lifting with his ego, not his muscle. Exercise, if you want it done correctly, should be humbling. Ask any experienced athlete or fitness expert if it's always easy. I promise you they would all respond no. It takes reaching out of your comfort zone, lifting some extra rep, adding a bit more weight, and even failing to see progress and growth. Form, function, and strategy are the basis for the safe and influential exercise. Master the foundations, and then you can worry about building on top of that. Perfecting the basics makes you stronger and fitter in the long run. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 4 on our list. Number 4. Limit distractions. You work out hard to reach 2 aims. 1 is to remain healthy, and 2 is to look good when it's time to get naked. And when you work to reach that goal, you can also be performing on your mental health. How? Unplugging. Studies indicate that not checking out emails, social media, and text messages when you're not at work benefits your mental and physical well-being. While you are training, an easy way to do that is to set your phone to airplane mode so you're not interrupted by alerts or calls. If you want to use your phone to stream music, adjust your message notification settings so there are no noises or vibrations when a message is received. Number 3. Track your progress. One of the best things you can do for yourself is to keep yourself honest about your improvement by being careful about your exercise journal. Keeping tabs on the workouts completed and reps, sets, rest, and weights utilized lets you find weak areas that need focus and proof that you're either advancing or dogging it. Every 3 months or so, you can print a report so you can see exactly what's been accomplished, needs enhancing, or adjustments that need to be made. Having the data can be encouraging while providing an idea of where we're heading and how we want to get there. Number 2. Listen to your body. There are times to push past the burn, and there are times to listen to your body pleading with you to stop what you're doing instantly. Neglecting or forgetting what your body is suggesting you do will inevitably land you on the injured reserve. Experiencing some soreness after your workout session is natural. But if you feel soreness 4 days later or feel like something isn't fine, you'll want to get that checked out. Missing that will only lead to getting hurt, which pushes the time frame back on your purpose. Number 1. Remember the fundamentals. Whether a day 1 beginner or a bona fide gym rat, the rule never changes: proper form always trumps weight. You can see many people at the gym who screw themselves up with poor technique. That's why you need a strong foundation and the right technique during every rep of every set of your workouts. If it fits your purposes, once the technique is mastered, you can go for heavier loads. Feel free to share your ideas and opinions in the comments section below. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe to our channel. Are you looking for more amazing health-related videos? Don't forget to watch more of our videos on the left and right of your screen.